humans, there are signs that it's also spreading to other animals. A tiger at the Bronx Zoo in New York City has tested positive for COVID-19 after developing a dry cough. A couple of lions also show signs of the infection. And there are reports in Hong Kong that dogs have tested positive without having any of the usual symptoms. Scientists say that cats are very susceptible to the virus. Many people around the world are now worried about what that means for them and their pets.
Samples from a dog's nasal and oral cavities had tested weak positive for coronavirus. Its owner is a coronavirus patient, and while the dog hasn't shown any symptoms, it will also be kept in quarantine for up to 2 weeks. Now, during that time, it will be repeatedly tested until a negative result is returned. So, is this the first case of human-to-animal transmission? Well, the World Health Organization says that there is no evidence that pets can be infected with the virus, but regardless, it's always a good idea to watch